I had been quite frequently over the years using two Panasonic bread makers for over 20 years, so when they were slowing down to a halt, I was not surprised. However, very disappointed because I was afraid even the newer models could not compare. I finally took the plunge and ordered a new one, like new from Amazon warehouse. It does work beautifully and actually can make an even larger loaf. So I am very pleased on those fronts. However, I am so glad I kept my old faithful recipe book from my past models because the newer model recipe book is so extremely limited. While I do need to alter the ingredient measurements to fit the newer bread maker, it's well worth it to me. The other downside of this newer model is that, while the nut and fruit dispenser is very handy not to have to add the ingredients at the beep sound, the reservoir doesn't hold as much as I have added to my bread in the older models. Anyway, these are the reasons I gave it 4 stars instead of 5. I do feel sorry for those whose first exposure to the Panasonic bread maker is the newer model because they are missing out on some really great recipes from the older models. I'd recommend to those who are just now purchasing the bread maker, if you are handy with altering ingredient measurements, get your hands on an older model recipe book. I don't know what year model they discontinued these recipes, but my book is from the SD-RD250 model from 20 plus years ago. Perhaps you can find it on eBay. Happy bread baking!